Farmhouse is seated on over 36 acres and boasts over 4,000 square feet, boasting real hardwood throughout, the primary suite on the main, a massive primary bath, as well as a jacuzzi tub, a separate shower, and so much more. This property absolutely has it all. The crawl space has been encapsulated. It has a basketball court. About 18 acres of the land is cleared, bush hogged, and ready for use. One of the things I strongly dislike about many floor plans is they will try to fit too many bedrooms in too little square feet. That creates rooms that are simply not optimal for living. This floor plan is massive and open throughout, and you feel it as you walk through. Yet, being a farmhouse style, while it feels nice, open, and large, you feel at home as you walk throughout. This is due to the rustic tone, the hardwood, the fireplace, as well as the beautifully crafted open kitchen. You'll also enjoy a formal dining room. As you walk into the foyer, you are immediately greeted with a beautiful view of the loft and the entryway into the main living space. That living space is also connected to the open kitchen, which is perfect for socializing. However, before you get to the living space, on the left here, you'll notice a beautiful formal dining room, as well as to the right, you'll notice a room that can be used as an office, bonus space, or whatever you prefer. As you step into the main living space, you are immediately blown away by how open of a feel this environment is. This is due to 10-foot tall ceilings, a very light color, giving it a very inviting feel. You also got the fireplace, as well as being connected to the open kitchen. And although a split bedroom floor plan is nice, this goes one step further, with the primary suite being on the main and the additional 2 bedrooms being located on the upper floor. Its primary suite features a jacuzzi tub as well as its own fireplace. I am so excited to tour this farmhouse today. Come on in and let's tour 6505 Fisher Lane. Upstairs, you're going to enter the massive and open lofted common area. This area features overlooks of both the foyer and includes 2 bedrooms as well as a bonus room. The bonus may be used for sleeping. Just keep in mind there is no second point of exit, so it just cannot be classified as an actual bedroom. So now we are at the second property of our tour here at Fisher Lane. This property also comes in addition to the home that we just toured. This is a fantastic, fairly new constructed, single wide mobile home. This home boasts just over 1,100 square feet, I believe, and also features a very open floor plan. So this floor plan has an island in the kitchen, as you'll see. So once again, this is the second property here at Fisher Lane. We're gonna head on over to the barn now.